When you're working with a lot of images in your project, it may be difficult to find out the very image you're looking for. Let's say you're working on a project that includes 100 files, and from those files you are looking for an image with a bicycle. Well, you can look for that image one by one, looking at all the images, but that would be a very inefficient way to finding the image. So there is a solution to this problem, which is keywords. Keywords is word or phrase that will help you to search through the files and find out the exact file that you're looking for. Adobe Bridge gives us a very nice tool to assign keywords to our files, and that is here. Now let's minimize this preview, and to do that I will double click on it. So now we are having a larger view of keywords. Adobe Bridge also gives us some default keywords that we may want to use, but for now we don't want any of them. So I'll select it, go here and click on delete. It will ask me if I click yes, it will be deleted. I can press Ctrl and select more than one at once and delete them, but these may be useful for us, so we will leave it here. Now if you click on this little plus icon here, it says new keyword. If we click on that, it will give us a little input area where we can type the name of our keyword. Let's type birds and hit enter. Now we have created a new keyword birds, so I will select all the birds by pressing the Ctrl key and clicking on the picture, and then when I finished selecting all the birds of the images, I'll check on this little area over here, and the keyword bird is assigned to these images that I have selected. I can also select a single file at once and click here to assign that keyword. Now whenever I select the file that I have previously assigned a keyword, you can see here it shows assigned keywords as birds, and as well you'll see the birds is checked over here. This way I will be able to assign one or more than one keywords to all these images. Keywords will help us to search and look for a specific image in the project when we are working with lot of images. This will be very handy and very efficient way to work and explore with all the files that we have got in our project.